So we're all done, and we've gotten this lip all snatched and taken care of that peach fuzz, and we have our nails done. So I got some hot pink. That's it. Nothing major. I don't like all of the extra stuff. So this is what we have. But I gotta get something to eat, so I guess I'll catch you at the next stop. Alright, you guys, I've made it to work, so I decided that since we're here, shoot, I might as well just take y'all up here and just show y'all where I work. So let's go. I first got this plant right here, let me see. I can't. Okay, here we go. When I first got this plant right here, it was, let me tell y'all, she was pitiful, y'all. She was so pitiful. It was to the point where she couldn't even stand up on her own. Her leaves were all droopy and stuff like that. So this was my first time saying that I wanted to, at least try to have, to see if I could actually keep a plant alive, because I've always thought that I couldn't, right? So me and my husband went to Lowe's and we got this plant. And like I said, it was so pitiful. I was like, I've always thought that I'm always going to kill a plant, because I don't have that green thumb. So I was like, well, she's already about on her last leg anyway. So, I mean, what harm can I do her? So, long story long, here she go, y'all. Here she goes. She's thriving. She is thriving. Look at her. She didn't even have these little white lilies coming in up here. She didn't even have that, y'all. She was just pitiful. When I tell y'all, sis was tired. Sis was like, I've had enough. She is thriving. I'm loving it. She's getting big, and she just sprouting all of her little lilies right here. She just sprouting because, like I said, she didn't even have all of this. And look how pretty the leaves are. I love it. I absolutely love it. So we just call her Lily because my grandmother's name was Lily. So, this is Miss Lily. So we have some more creations over here. This is some more t-shirts that I've made with my Cricut machine. And this is just hanging on my door to my office. And then we have this one right here because we all know this is us. This is us. When you are at peace and in touch with yourself, truly, nothing anyone says or does bothers you. No drama or negativity can touch you. Because why? You're unfuckwittable. Understand that. Understand that. Overstand that. Okay? Overstand this.